In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete labels in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the correct work or school account. Once Planner loads, look at the left side where your plans and recent items appear. From here, go into the plan called Project Management. This is important because labels are managed inside a specific plan. If you edit labels in the wrong plan, it will not affect the tasks you actually want to clean up. After you are inside the project management plan, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the right workspace by checking the plan name at the top. Now switch the view to grid. You can usually find this near the top of the plan, alongside other view options. The grid view makes it easier to see task details in a table-style layout, and it also gives you quick access to label settings and highlighting tools. Once you are in grid view, locate the highlight option. This control is used to emphasize tasks based on certain criteria, including label colors. Click on Highlight to open the Highlight menu. When this menu is open, you will see options related to how tasks are visually marked in the grid. This area is also where label-related controls are commonly surfaced, depending on your planner layout. Next, click on Highlight again to continue into the label highlight controls. In many cases, this second click either expands the menu or switches to a deeper set of options where labels can be managed. Take your time here because planner menus can be compact, and it is easy to click away from the panel. If the menu closes, simply click Highlight again to reopen it. As you work through this area, remember that deleting a label affects the plan's label set. That means tasks that use that label may lose that visual tag, so it is a good idea to double-check that you are removing the correct one before confirming any changes. Also, if you do not immediately see an option to remove a label, look for an Edit or Manage Labels link within the same highlight panel, since Planner sometimes groups label actions under a secondary menu. Once you complete the deletion through the highlight label controls, your plan will update and the removed label will no longer be available to apply to tasks. And that is all there is to it.